round the way type of girl. Like you can wear her to lunch, dinner, brunch. Back to my channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm giving you guys another affordable wig, girl. Yes! This wig is courtesy of Samsbeauty.com. You guys know I love me some Samsbeauty, and they always support us over here in the Queendom. So I want to give a big shout out to Samsbeauty. Shout out to you, LaShonda, and thank you guys for sending me out some more wigs. So today is also another episode of New Year, New Wig, you guys, and we are almost done with the series, girl. If you haven't watched, we have had so many amazing collaborators in this series, and it's just been a great bringing in the new year, January, with these affordable wigs and with you guys. So I really hope y'all are enjoying it because, girl, this is the second to last episode, and you know we're coming with the heat. So you guys, today I am collaborating with none other than ZarZar Galore. I am so excited to be collaborating with her. I reached out to her to see if she was down, honey, and she was down. So you guys, she gives really quality wig reviews. She's also consistent on her channel, and I definitely think it would be a benefit for you to go and subscribe to her and let her know Nene sent you. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and hop into it, girl. Let's do it. Let's do it. So without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin', poppin', poppin'. What's going on with my shoulder? Poppin', 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 poppin'. Yes! Okay, you guys, let's hop into it. All right, queens, let's get into it. So I love this little messy wavy bob, you guys, because it comes with 2 combs on each side and a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps.
Are you there?
Oh no, I was just recording.
Oh.
I was just recording.
Make sure you are heard.
Yes. No, I'm okay. I was just recording and you look excited. And I literally call this my little catfish wig, y'all, because you can really finesse some things in this cute little easy throw on and go wig. So this is my little catfish wig, y'all. But I started off by plucking the part, you guys. I only did 2 of my normal synthetic wig steps, and plucking the part was the first thing that I did. And as you can see, I am going ham on that part, and I took out a lot of hair. It was easy to pluck, and it also helped me with controlling that little bit of shedding, which I'll talk to you guys about in the end that I experienced. So from there, I took my concealer and added it to the parting space. And aside from laying my baby hairs, those are the only steps that I did to tweak this wig, because it was that easy to just throw on and go. So you guys, I am going to go ahead and meet you at the end of the video to give you all the tea. Make sure you meet me there. Alright, girl, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So you guys, I already told you this is courtesy of Samsbeauty.com, and I'm really feeling this unit because they know me so well. This wig is right up my alley, and I was very happy to receive this unit. Y'all know I love a bob off the shoulder, right at the shoulder, a little bit high, a little bit low. That is just my go-to, okay? And this wig is giving me that. Now, this unit is by Sensationell. This is a part of their SHEAR MUSE collection. And I have reviewed this unit in the past in a different color, but I wanted to go back and do it in a more natural color because I felt like she would really be a bop in a 1B, okay? So that is exactly what I got. This wig is giving me asymmetrical, messy bob vibes, as you guys can see. The curl pattern is like a wavy curl texture. The hair is synthetic, and it is giving me just a little bit of a shine, but it's not bothering me at all to the point where it looks wiggy. So the cap is big head friendly. I'm not having any issues with putting it on my big old head. And if you have a smaller head, I don't think you're going to have issues at all because it does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps, which you should have seen in the beginning when I sped that thing up, okay? Now, this wig right here, you guys, I did get just a little bit of tangling that I have to let you know about. Right up in this area around here, I'm getting a little bit of snags. Not exactly sure why, but just have to let you guys know that ahead of time. Other than that, I hadn't had much tangling, and I have had a small amount of shedding that I also have to let you guys know about. Now, this is a synthetic wig. It is very affordable, so you are going to have to deal with some shedding and some tangling, but this wig, both aspects are not out of control, so I definitely would consider buying this on my own coins because it's not going to be that major of an issue. Now, y'all know if a wig is shedding like a dog, girl, I'm going to let you know, but this one, you're not going to have that big of a mess with shedding, but you will get a few strands, if you know what I'm saying. So you guys, I do have a con for this wig, and the only con that I have is that there is a slight line of demarcation. Now, this wig is not a lace front wig, you guys. It's a lace part wig, so I did get a small line of demarcation. I went ahead and cut a V, but I still wish that it was laying a little bit more flat. Of course, nobody's really going to see the top of my head, girl, because I'm like 6'2", so it's not really that big of an issue for me, but I have to let you guys know, especially for my shortest subscribers who are really sticklers on that line of demarcation. Now, there are other great things that you can do to blend that line, and that's up to you, girl, if you want to put the work in, but I just want to let you guys know ahead of time what you're going to be getting with this wig. So overall, I am feeling this wig, honey, and I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the tag so we can see what the model is looking like. So you guys, here is the stock card. This is Sensationell Sheer Muse KEZIAH, and I have it in the color 1B. Now, it does come with a deep hand-tied lace parting area, and it's high heat safe from 350 degrees to 2. It is high heat safe from 350 degrees to 400, but this is what it looks like on the stock card, and of course I have the color 1B. I have tried this unit in another color, and I do like it better in the more natural color, so that's definitely what I would suggest you to get if you're thinking about trying this unit. Now, this wig is going to give you a couple different dimensions because it is an asymmetrical bob cut, but I definitely feel like this wig is a round the way type of wig. Like, this is just an all around round the way type of girl. Like, you can wear her to lunch, dinner, brunch, supper, whatever, girl. You can wear this wig everywhere. You can wear this wig to church, wear this wig on a date. Girl, you can wear this wig all over town, okay? And those are the type of wigs that I like, throw on and go. So for me personally, I would wear this wig in the classroom while teaching, and then I would turn around and wear it to an event on the weekend. So that's where you can really get the bang for your buck, girl. And you already know that that is my goal, to help you to save some money and slay. So you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, our new year, new wig series is coming to a close, y'all. We only have one more episode left after this, so make sure you guys show me some love throughout this series. Let me know if you enjoyed this series and if you want more series in the future. And of course, last but not least, go and check out my girl ZarZar Galore on YouTube. I will link her video below so you guys can check her out because, honey, she sent me the images and she looks good, okay? Like, she looks really, really good. So make sure you guys go ahead and check her out. And last but not least, go and check out Samsbeauty.com and this unit on their site. The link is in the description. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.